In this video, I'll demonstrate how to request a PSA document online and what to expect during the delivery process. To begin, go to PSAHelpline.ph. It is an official website authorized by the Philippine Statistics Authority or PSA to provide hassle-free online applications and door-to-door delivery of official PSA documents with QR codes. Click Order Now. Next, choose the type of certificate. In this case, I'll request my birth certificate. Check the boxes to accept the terms and conditions and privacy policy. Then, give consent to the processing of your personal data and click Continue. Select My Own Birth Certificate and click Continue. To proceed, the website will ask for your personal information. Click Continue. Start by entering your name, sex, and birth date. Applicants below 18 years old will need assistance from a parent or guardian. For married females, you'll need to provide both your maiden name and married last name. Make sure your name and birth date match the details on the ID you'll present to the courier upon delivery. The courier will not release the document to anyone else, even with an authorization letter. Click Continue. Click Continue again to confirm that your name is spelled exactly as it appears on your birth certificate. Enter your father's name or check the box if there is none listed on your birth certificate. Click Continue. Enter your mother's maiden name, then click Continue. Provide your place of birth. Note that this is not your delivery address. Click Continue. Select the purpose of your request and click Continue. To have your birth certificate delivered straight to your address, select Nationwide Door-to-Door Delivery. Enter your delivery address and contact details. Make sure to use an address where you will be personally available to receive your document. You'll receive email and SMS updates about your order status. Based on courier coverage, the estimated delivery date will appear on the page. This estimate assumes that your payment is posted within the same day and that your certificate is released without delays. After verifying your delivery details, click Continue. Review all the details displayed on the checkout page. Indicate how many copies you need. Please remember, PSA Helpline does not coordinate transactions or payments through Facebook Messenger. They only accept orders and payments through the official website and hotline 02-8737-1111. Confirm that you will personally receive the document and present a valid government-issued ID. Then click Continue. To complete your order, make your payment by scanning the QR/PH code using your mobile banking app or e-wallet, such as GCash or Maya. Once payment is successful, you see a confirmation page. Copy the 10-digit reference number. You'll use this to track your delivery status. Now, let's track the status of your order until delivery. On the PSA Helpline website, click Check Status on the top menu. Enter your 10-digit reference number. This page will appear once your order is paid and is being processed. You can click Add Another to check the status of multiple orders. When the PSA begins processing your document, this page will update accordingly. You'll also receive notifications once your order is released and on its way to you. On the day of delivery, the status will show Out for Delivery. Be reminded of the delivery requirements and click the link at the bottom of the box to track your parcel's exact location. Once a parcel has been delivered and received successfully, you'll see a confirmation page. You can also rate your delivery experience and the quality of the product. This concludes our tutorial on how to request your PSA document online and what to expect during the delivery process. If this video helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.